Simple and professional way to export a multiple artwork in Adobe Illustrator. This is our today's heading that we are going to deal with. There are several ways you can export your artwork in Adobe Illustrator, but this time I'm going to show you a simple and professional way that you can export a multiple artwork and multiple files within a second. Now, what is this method? I hope you are asking yourself this question. Now, this method is by using Asset Export Panel. What you can do there, let me show you how to export it in a simple and professional way. Go to Window, then find Asset Export, activate it, and automatically it will pop up here to the designing panel. Well, on this Asset Export panel, we have an option that we must touch a little bit, and these options are Format and Scale. Let me talk a little bit about format before we jump to scale and its usage. On format option, we have PNG, JPG, SVG, PDF, OBG, USDA, USDZ, GLTF, and web page. But I'm going to talk about PNG, JPG, SVG, PD, and PDF. PNG, that is a common option we use in our daily usage, especially when we look for a transparent object. Therefore, PNG refers to a transparent exported file without a background, especially for a screen display or retina display. It is common I'm sure for most of designers. Now, JPG is also common file that you use in our daily usage, and the difference of this with PNG is that this file or image always exported with its background compared to PNG. And this one, SVG, these are scalable vector graphics specifically for web and interface design. Go back to PDF. This refers to a portable document file. It is common and special for printing design. Now you see so many options, but this is common that you cannot skip in our daily usage compared to these below. So this one, PDF, SVG, PNG, and JPG are the most common that we use in our daily designing processes. Then let me jump to scale. On scale, we have 1 times, that is the actual size of the image, 100%. And this 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 1.5 times. This refer to a highly vision resolution for high DPI usage, like retina display or phone apps. And going back to 0.5 times and 0.75 times, where this refers to 75% of the actual size of the image. After knowing all this, now let me show you how to export it locally, as I've said, in a multiple ways and in multiple files. So now we have 1 times. Then add a scale. Here it is 2 times. Add a scale. Now here is 3 times. Add. Here is 4 times. And remember, these are PNG files. So now grab all your designs and drop them to Asset Export. Yes. Then go to Export. Here we are required to choose a file. Let me choose this one, Design. Then select folder. So automatically we are going to find these artworks on our design. Let us go back to our computer. Now these are files that we exported there. Here is 1 times, here is 2 times, and here is 3 times, here is 4 times. I hope you get anything from this video, and if this video is helpful for you, drop your comment and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for more tutorials and designing tips. Thank you very much and see you until next time. My name is Boniface Mwaikambo and this is Mwaikambo Creatives.